Hey friends, today I did a voiceover of this look right here. Some of you have wanted me to dip back into the Kat Von D 10th year anniversary eye palette, and I figured I'd do a voiceover because it is faster for me to edit, and that will allow me to get more eyeshadow looks out. Even though they may not be as thorough as my reviews, I could still do a very detailed voiceover of how I achieve the looks. If you want to see how I achieved this Kat Von D 10th year anniversary eye look using primarily the warm shades, the metallic purple and gold, then please keep on watching.
And here we are. Let's get started opening her up. Primarily we'll play with these warm shades here, maybe a couple of the metallics, who knows? Eyebrows are done, lids are prepped, and we'll first go in with this light yellowy mustard shade into the crease with my Wayne GOSS number 16. Working that in and building up the color, circular motions to buff that shade well into the lid. Now in that salmon shade, I believe it is, more so under that mustard shade, keeping it lower, but again building more so the outer and inner corners of the lid. And then I start to wing it out very softly because we still have a few more shades to go with the red one, for instance. And now I'm using the number 4 Wayne GOSS brush. It is smaller and slightly more tapered and allows me to get more of a precise application to the outer and inner corners of my lid without it moving too high. And I like using inward circular motion so it doesn't pull out too far onto my temples, but only when I go in with the bigger brush, I'll fluff it out. Now with the Smith brush in the deepest shade in the palette, I build this up very carefully as I want it to stay on the outer V of my lid. And then when I have little product on the brush, I start to gently wing it out, so I have control throughout the entire blending process. And again, once you use circular motions and keep them tight, you'll be good to go. Combining both the red and salmon shade together for the lower lash line, and this is my Luxie 231, I believe. I'm just going in, smoothing out the deepest shade, and I'm putting that right on the outer third of my lower lash line and going back in to smooth the edges. Now with some concealer, carving out my lid because I want the metallic shades to pop, and I blend the edges out with my finger. In with the purple metallic shade on my Wayne GOSS shader, packing that in bits and pieces, but with a little more punch. I'm going in with my Max Fix Plus to pump up the metallic finish on that. It's pretty. Now with my small dome brush in the matte deep brown shade, smoothing out the edges, Egypt goes on the inner third, combining with the purple shade, and I think this is such a beautiful combination. Taking the metallic pink shade under my lower lash line and my new favorite liquid liner from Clio Professional, the Kill Black black liner. Makes it so easy for wings, and I get that they're still tough, but the smoothness of the pen just makes it a blast. Slapped on some lily lashes in the style NYC, putting on some MAC Give Me Sun to provide that warmth. Look who has a tan now. Just down the bridge of my nose. Finally got my hands on Living the Highlight loose highlighter powder from the JLo Inglot collab. Buffer that in on the tops of my cheekbones with my Morphe brush. Bridge of the nose, a little bit lip time. Using the Christine Leanne and Urban Decay Comfort Matte Lipstick in Bum Bun, MAC Lip Liner in Cork, and the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Fantasia. And here is the finished look. What do you think? All products will be mentioned down below. And if you want to see more videos, just check out these. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!